Introducing the Hawkins Futura 2.5L deep fry pan. This black pan is made of hard anodized non-stick material and its lid is made of stainless steel. It measures 37.85 by 25.65 by 13.21 centimeters and weighs 1.48 kilograms. It has a capacity of 2.5 liters. This round bottom pan is made with a unique patented process. It has a plastic handle and is gas stove compatible. Its high-quality non-stick coating is locked firmly into the hard anodized surface underneath. It lasts longer and conducts heat fast and evenly. The box contains one Futura non-stick pan with a steel lid. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page.